All right, so I'm going to show you how to create a list. I have a random document here that has a list of transactions, but they don't actually have to mean anything to you. What you want to focus on is the actual creating of a list. So I'm going to go ahead and select the information that I want to turn into a list, and that would be everything from 3507 all the way down to 31007, and select it. There's two different lists you can find on your toolbar. Your first one is a numbered list, and then your second one is a bulleted list. They both have the quick option to select by just hitting that, the larger bulleted list. If you did not like the bullet list that it gave you, you can change that by doing the drop down option next to that large icon, and you can change it to something else, such as maybe stars or something along those lines. You will notice that these bullets are currently aligned. If you want these bullets to be further over, you do not want to come do the center alignment. If you do the center alignment, as you can see, it's going to make it the text center aligned, but the bullets will no longer be lined up. So you have to keep everything left aligned. How you're going to move text over with your bulleted list is use your ruler. Up here we have a left indent, so if I slide this over to 1 inch, my text will now be 1 inch oval, and the bullets will follow suit, and it won't be just quite as much. If I want to separate the distance between the text and the bullets, I can do that as well. Once I have moved over the text, I'm going to go back to the first line indent marker. I can move it, and you'll notice that the text marker is not moving with it. And when I let it go, I now have more of a space in between my bullets and my text. If I wanted some space in between my texts, I can come up to line spacing and hit add space after list item, and you'll see that it will spread it out wherever the enter button is hit. So this is all one transaction, which is why those are close together, whereas these down here are multiple transactions. And again, you can see that with the actual bullets. There is a way to add a bulleted list inside of a bullet. So let's say I have this transaction and all of this information goes with this transaction. If I hit tab, it's going to change my bullets, and if I hit tab again, it's going to keep going until, and then eventually just restart the pattern. I'm going to hit undo to get rid of all this. And I'm going to show you how to change your bullets into emojis. So let's say we have transactions here for a specific issue, like a dog or something like that. It doesn't matter what. If I click on the bullets, all of the bullets will highlight. If I just click on one bullet, I would be only changing that specific bullet. So again, you want to make sure all the bullets are selected, and you're going to take your two fingers on your right hand, your pointer finger and your middle finger. You're going to spread them apart a little bit, and you're going to do what I call the snake bite effect, where you take it, curl it over, make it look like a snake's fangs, and you're going to click on your mouse pad with your mouse cursor on one of the bullets. When you do that, you're going to get a drop-down window for options. One of those options says more bullets. If you click on it, it's going to give you a new window, and you can change the category to options here. I believe it's under symbol. Yes, under symbol here. I can change it to emoji, and now I have fun little faces. I can change it to animals. I can change it to sports and celebrations. And you can see that those all different types of emojis that you can change it to. So if I just wanted to say animals and plants, I'm going to just do a shortcake emoji. And all my emojis, my bullets now, have been changed to the shortcake emoji. So that's the quick run through on how to do bullets in a bulleted list on Google Docs.